Phew. All right. Well, here you are at another winter camping adventure in the Adarondaks. Solo winter camping. Well, my plans got diverted. I was going to go to Mountain Pond. Seemed pretty nice, but the roads were not plowed, so I couldn't make it in there. So I'm back at Floodwood Road, back to one of my favorite camping spots. I haven't camped at this very spot. It's kind of nice. We got some latrines over there, and I even got a picnic table, which I'm not using, but it's nice. You know, I did use it. When I first got here, I set some stuff on it. So yes, it came in useful. But yeah, it's not really primitive camping as far as I'm concerned. More of glamping, but anyway. Yeah, picnic table. Lake's still frozen. I'm not really trusting it. Don't think I'm gonna get out on it. This is just got back with some wood I gotta process. It's my second night here, so I usually film the next day. And so I gotta get this fire going. Trying out this new tarp to keep the snow off me. Give me a little shelter on the inside. It's got some reflective properties, so hopefully that this tarp will kick in some heat in here and will keep me kind of warm. I think it's going to work out. Worked out last night, good. Got the hot tent going, the One Tiger's hot tent. And so yeah, I got kind of cool. Got some snow steps going down into the tent. And I think everybody's seen this before. It's my sloppy setup. Hey man, I'm trying to go light now. Got a new little camping light, so when it comes spring, I'll be able to do some hiking and not have to carry a bunch of heavy stuff. We'll see how that goes. It's gonna be semi-light anyway. But yeah, so here I am. Another winter camping venture. Got a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna have to go. But till next time. Oh, by the way, I failed miserably trying to set this up, just so you know. Yeah, it's not right, but it's gonna work for now. But until next time, this is Keith, Winter Camping Adventures in the Adirondacks YouTube channel. You know, just making videos really for my parents. But anyway, see you next time. Bye.